Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce myself. My name is Atta Argadinata.
My name is Dinugraha Pujisantosa.
Hello, my name is Vishnu Wibisono.
My name is Aji Santoso.
My name is Nastam.
My name is Tohir. My name is R. Febrianto.
My name is Asmara Meka Putra and we are team 4.
Hello, how are you? It's been a long time. I don't see you in campus. Where have you been?
Yeah bro, I have a lot of work to do. Me and my team just finished the project in our company workshop today.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah bro, okay, let's get in first.
Let's go. If may ask, what is your role in the company?
I am welder bro. Mostly I do metal and steel fabrication things for the company.
Is that true?
Yes, it is.
You know what? Have in the same role I am or bro. I am welder too. I see. We have the same occupation.
Oh, so you both have the same working role as the welder, right? Isn't we have that subject in our university?
Yes, we actually had a subject that studying about welding specifically.
As how long have you been working out as a welder and why you chose that role?
I was working in this role about 5 years now. I was working at the industries since 2016 and you ask why? Maybe because the salary is pretty good for fresh graduate like me in the time.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. The salary is great for a freshman, but it comes with a great risk too.
Then bro, how long have you been welding?
Almost the same, bro. I was applying the job in 2016, just when I was graduated at vocational high school.
By the way, do all of you guys taking the welding subject in this semester? Yes, we actually have.
It's gonna be so easy for you guys because you are already working as the welder, right?
Yesterday, I was doing the class and I just realized that welding have so many different types.
That is shielded metal IRC welding and submerged arc welding.
That is so many type of welding that make me so confused.
That's true. I can never spot the difference between that five.
Because of you not pay attention enough to the lecture yesterday.
I was so tired and sleepy at the time. Can you explain to me the difference?
Okay, so today I want to describe this machine. This is a welding machine, especially stick welding machine. Stick welding machine is an electric arc welding process that uses rod-shaped metal. And this is a welding mask. This is used to protect your face during welding process.
Yep.
This is welding gloves used to protect your hand during your welding process. This is a stick electrode.
Stick electrodes are made with a variety of metal alloy compositions and flux chemistry. You'll want to make sure the electrode you plan to use will be strong enough and that's compatible with the base metal and the positions of the joints you want to weld. Often electrodes have the American Welding Society classification code printed on them. This code will identify tensile strength, the flux covering type, the appropriate welding positions, and sometimes other important information.
There are so many different bed welding. The shielding gas was different. The wire was different, and also the machine was different.
Yes, I see you was so interested in the subject. Do you not afraid of the risk? Welding is closely related to the fire. How if you get burned?
Yes, that's true. If we working with the fire, get ready to burn. I mean, if we working with the high risking job like this, we have to make sure our safety, because that is the most important thing, to make sure that we're not getting hurt because of welding injuries. Yes, I agree with you. You don't wait to get the fire touch your skin.
So, when you're doing the job, what kind of equipment and suit do you wear?
We have to wear every safety equipment from head to toe, like helmet, gloves, welding suit, and other stuff.
Yes, that is very important to make sure our safety equipment are safe.
Is that different safety equipment have a different function?
Of course.
Can you explain that?
373 areas are need for the safety of welder. That hand, project skin, project face precision, individual boots, foot protection, hearing protection, and respiratory protection.
Why the us different kind of helmet like that? Why not the just as the sunglass rather than test helmet?
If dry, wearing glass only, the face skin will be bright because of the radiation of very hot that can burn your skin actually.
Oh, I see. And why the wearing that big masks are they can breathe with that big mask?
Other than the fire and radiation, welding emits pumps, and the pumps contain a variety of metals, including aluminum, arsenic, beryllium, lead, and manganese. Yes, and welding fumes can cause a serious health problems for workers if inhaled.
You don't want inhale the stuff is you inhale in continuously in will damage your lungs and your antibody.
And then you can have a respiratory sickness. That's why a good welder must wearing a respirator mask to avoid that fumes and gases, and to protect their lungs from damage.
I'm sure that I got lot of no knowledge today. Be hanging around with you guys. Thank you very much. I think I need go right no cause and forget pick my girlfriend her office tonight.
Okay, see you, Haji.
See you.
Okay, see you. Take care.